This episode of the Good Living Now podcast is sponsored by our friends at Kuvings. Now, I've tried many cold pressed juices over the years, but the Kuvings Auto10 has truly simplified my routine. Now, my personal experience is that it's simple to operate and quick to clean. Now, with the Auto10, I can make everything from nice cream to morning smoothies to sorbets, and I can even make plant-based milk. Now, if you'd like to give it a try, use my affiliate code JUICEGUY at checkout to save 10% on Kuvings. All right, go ahead, grab your fresh produce and get your juice on. What's up, everybody? So it's day 10 of our 10-day green juice summer weight loss challenge. Now, I know you're feeling good because I'm feeling good too. Now, here's the question I know you're asking. What do we do after this? What happens? Well, we want to make sure that we transition to eating food properly. We don't want to go back to eating processed foods or cooked foods. So the first week, we want to just concentrate on eating fruits, vegetables. So you can have like a carrot soup, you can have a fruit bowl, you can have juice. Now for me, I'm going to start my day tomorrow with the green juice like we've been doing. And then for lunch, I'll probably have a bowl of fruit. And then for dinner, it'll be a simple salad. And that'll be it. And that'll be enough. Because we don't want to lose all that we've gained over these 10 days. Now, here's the thing. When you decide to eat, you want to make sure you don't go back to eating processed foods or things with a lot of sodium. Because what will happen is you will start to gain water weight. And we don't want to do that. We've done all this work for 10 days and we want to maintain all the progress that we've achieved. Now, I've been reading all of the comments from you guys and seeing all of the amazing results that you've had from losing weight, from having better sleep, from feeling more energetic, from your skin looking good and glowing. And so it's been all good. And I want to read a few of your comments that you've shared with me. Well, this one is from Samantha Hamilton from YouTube, and this was actually on day 5. She says, so far I'm down 5 pounds. Congratulations, Samantha. I'm sure you're probably down 5 more pounds now. So this comment is from Christy Dubs. She says, feeling great. This was on day 9. She said, I feel incredible this morning. I stuck with the same green juice for 8 days. I switched it up today and I feel like I have an extra burst of energy. I slept like a baby last night. Definitely feeling lighter. Now this is from Love United on YouTube. She says, I'm thoroughly shocked and simultaneously amazed at the results thus far. And she said this was on day 6, so she was only on day 6. And you know, it's amazing what happens to our body when we fuel it with healthy nutrients. You feel great, you look great, you have more energy, you have more clarity. And it's amazing what just fueling our bodies with green juice will do. You know, it's not only the weight loss, it's all the other things that go along with it. So now, what do we do after the 10 days? Well, tomorrow we're not going to run out and start eating any cooked food, right? We're going to slowly ease into eating cooked food, but we're going to start by going a whole week with just eating raw. So you can eat fruits, vegetables, salads, or even a soup. Now, you're going to cook the soup. Most people are going to cook their soup, but you can have that. But we want to make sure that we're not putting anything heavy on our digestive system. So we want to ease into eating cooked foods, but we want to start by eating raw foods first to allow our bodies to adjust. There are all kinds of options. But what we don't want to do is to eat stuff like processed foods or anything cooked that's going to take away all of the work that we've done over these 10 days. And look, I know that this was not easy to do. I know just consuming green juice for 10 days, I know how hard that was. And it's so interesting because during the 10 days, I had to go to Houston and I couldn't take my juicer with me. But what I did do was I found a juicer that made my juices for me. So I told them what I wanted and they made them there. So I know, but while I was there, I was smelling all kind of Texas food. So I was getting tempted in all kind of ways. But you know, I just kept juicing. I kept juicing. So I know how tempting it can be when you are not eating food, because what happens is you start noticing food commercials, seeing food everywhere, and that can be very tempting. So I want to congratulate you for sticking to it. And even if you didn't make it the full 10 days, maybe you made it 1 day, 2 days, or even 3 days, that's progress. And this challenge is not about perfection. It's about progress. And it's about helping us all to understand how well our body responds when we fuel it with the nutrients that the body really needs. And we know that fruits help to cleanse our system. That's why everybody feels so light. That's why everybody's skin is looking so good and they have all that energy, because the fruits are helping to cleanse our bodies. And then what the vegetables are doing are helping to replenish and restore our cells. So that's why you're noticing that you don't have those aches and pains. That's why you're noticing that you're sleeping better. That's why you're noticing that you have all this clarity, because it's the nutrients that comes just from drinking green juice. You don't need no expensive pills, no expensive concoctions, just some juice. Let's use this as a health reset to eating better, to feeling better. And so I'm going to be posting a do's and don'ts kind of guide flyer for you that you can use to help you make some better choices, to make sure that we're keeping all of these benefits that we've achieved over these 10 days. All right. Well, until the next time, you know what to do. Go ahead, get your juice on.